In this tutorial, we will explore the various ports available on your NVR and understand the meaning behind the status LEDs. So let's dive in and get started. HDMI. Use the supplied HDMI cable to connect your NVR to a TV. Ethernet. Use the supplied Ethernet cable to connect your NVR to your router to connect to the internet. Your NVR can also connect to your Wi-Fi to gain internet access. USB. Connect a USB flash drive to copy recorded events or perform a firmware upgrade to the top USB port. Connect the supplied mouse to the bottom USB port. MicroSD slot. If your NVR doesn't include an internal storage device, you can insert a microSD card into the slot to record events to. The symbol next to the slot indicates how the card is inserted. Power. Connect the supplied 12-volt power adapter here. At the front of your NVR are 3 LEDs underneath the Swann logo. Green indicates that your NVR has power. Blue indicates that your NVR has a storage device. And red indicates that your NVR is connected to your home network either wired or via Wi-Fi. Your NVR comes with an extra battery for added convenience. Simply insert it into the rear of your NVR after removing the safety sticker to charge it. Push it in until you hear a click, ensuring it is securely in place. A red LED will be illuminated. When the battery is fully charged, a green LED will light up indicating its readiness. Also located at the rear is a reset button. This will restore your NVR and reset all saved changes to the settings available. For more details, please see below. Each camera that comes with your NVR is equipped with its own battery. To charge these batteries, you will need to use the provided USB cable. Remove the battery cover to access the USB-C connection. Connect one end of the cable here. Then connect the cable to a battery charger that's typically included with your mobile device. Charge the battery for about 60 minutes or until the green LED lights up, indicating its readiness. Insert the battery into the camera until it clicks into place. After a short moment, you'll hear a beep sound. The camera will automatically pair with your NVR. Leave the antenna in a vertical position for the best reception. Remove the plastic film from the camera's lens. Connect the supplied Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your NVR. Then connect the other end to a spare port on your router or Wi-Fi access point. If you would like to connect your NVR wirelessly to your Wi-Fi access point, you can skip this step. Connect the supplied mouse to the bottom USB port. To copy events and to perform a firmware upgrade, connect a USB flash drive to the top port. Your NVR is compatible with USB flash drives up to 128 GB. Connect the supplied HDMI cable to the HDMI port. Then connect the other end to a spare HDMI input on your TV. Press the appropriate button on your TV's remote to select the HDMI input. Connect the supplied power adapter's power connection to the power input on your NVR. Then connect the power adapter to a power outlet. The startup wizard will now be displayed. Follow the red coloured startup wizard guide to configure your NVR. Follow the green coloured Swann security guide to download the app for your mobile device. Android and iOS mobile device users can also view our Swann Security account creation and pairing video, links listed below. You can find more information about your NVR at support.swann.com. Search for AllSecure manual. Thanks for watching.